I do believe that harmonization is a great word. It's like if you try to say, let's control the application developer to create applications which are really quiet and behave well, I don't think that this is going to happen. So the harmonization, because of the word broadband and the word spectrum, and those are not necessarily well aligned with each other. So I think the picture that we see in reality will be that there are just, every operator is going to grab as much spectrum as he can, wherever that spectrum is. And then the challenge, as I said to us, we have to figure out then how we basically resolve this matter in a suitable task. So I think getting to the task at hand and what we already done, when you look at the implementation, we took the 10 frequencies or 11 frequencies that we already have in a handset today. We took the challenge and basically we start off with a 10-pole switch and we go work with filter manufacturers to integrate filter banks in a more suitable form factor. We work on front-end designs because, yes, you're right, the antenna has a problem and you still have to use it touching it. But I think the effect of tunable antennas comes into mind, which we are working on. So to get the task at hand, LTE basically has, another thing is, as you have more bits that you transmit, traditionally also induce more heat in a device, and nobody likes to have ear warmers. That we still like to use these phones as regular phones. So our engineers take on the task of basically figuring out what we can do with the PA. They're already very advanced in that regard to manage the heat consumption of the PA in that LTE smartphone. So overall, I'm convinced that yes, there are challenges that are opposed by the industry, but I do believe that we as a semiconductor industry, or we as an industry, terminal industry, we will manage that task appropriately.